I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what's coming in 2026. We are going to be doing some upcycling of vintage items and showing you how to do it right here on my channel, Markets of Sunshine. You love this? It's a beautiful chenille robe made out of a vintage chenille bedspread. Absolutely gorgeous. My friend Delia, who is an expert seamstress, made this for me. And we're going to show you how to do this and so much more. It's going to be a series every week here on my channel at Markets of Sunshine. So 52 amazing videos that are going to show you how to take vintage items and turn them into something beautiful and wearable. It can be for more advanced like this. This is way beyond my expert abilities. I would have to follow her step by step, and that's what we're going to do together. So I hope you will join the two of us together here, and I look forward to seeing you the first week of January 2026, which is just around the corner.